Hello guys, good day. You're welcome to my channel once again. This is Daylight Crib Network. I'm really happy. Seriously, I'm happy. You guys are making me happy. Thank you very much for your efforts. Thank you very much for the sacrifice and all of that. So I'm making video because of the request. My subscribers, they requested for this video, so I'm making videos on that. I'm not going to delay with that, so let me just quickly do that right now. I will appreciate it if you subscribe to this channel. I will love it. You make me happy doing that. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel, because I know you have done that already. So let me get into the business right now. So what we are going to do now is I'm making videos on how to upgrade your plan. Upgrading your plan is not a difficult task. You can see over here, if for instance you are able to get 30 new members to register with your link, you will get 6,888 naira package. And if you get that package, you can use that package to upgrade your plan. If you don't want to use the package to upgrade your plan, you can simply withdraw it also. That's it. One thing you have to note that is that, these 30 people you referred, if I thought you referred 30 people and maybe they did not do any task, complete the supposed task, you won't get that package. So if you successfully invite a person, what you are going to make the person do is to go to mission, to complete this mission stuff. Go to mission, receive, click receive, then do the task. I believe you guys know how to do this. So let's open. Let me just do it right now. I'm happy. So I'm going to screenshot it. Then I'm going back now. Let me upload the video I just screenshotted. So you click add screenshot. So this is what you are going to make your subscribers do. Though I've made videos on this previously. So let me just do this now because of you guys. Good, successfully uploaded. So what I'm going to do now, submit. After submitting, I'll get my money, but this money will not automatically display on my balance. It will take like 30 minutes before it will display. So you can see over there is I get 69 naira per like on Instagram. But if you have not upgraded, you will get 28 naira, and I'm qualified to like 5 times daily. But if you have not upgraded, it's only 2 times daily. So that's it. So you can see over here what I was explaining just now. 30 new members. So you get them to go for mission and do all of that, what I just did just now. So you will get 6,088 naira package. So if you get like 288 new members register, you will get 62,888 naira package. And you can use this one to also upgrade your plan, or you can also simply withdraw it. So that's it. So that's just it. So if you wish, you can withdraw it, but I advise you guys, if you will just go and use it to upgrade, because there are a lot of benefit from that. If the benefit is just too much, that's just the truth. The benefit is just much. You are getting, I believe, if you use this thing, 62,888 naira. If you upgrade it, maybe before it expires, because it normally expires every 60 days. But before that thing expire, you are getting 100 and something plus for just doing the daily tax, and the commissions is not included. The commissions you are going to be getting from your downliners is not included on that. So 100 and something plus. That is what you're going to get for just doing the daily task. So I will love it if you calculate it. Okay, let's just go there. Let me just do the calculation now. If you can see right here that okay, 62,888 naira. Okay, 25 times. What we are going to do now is 125 times 25. Let's see the amount you are going to get daily from that. 125 times 25, right? You can see over here is 3,125 naira. So 3,125 naira daily. Let's say times 60, which is 60 days, its expiry period. You can see now 187,500 naira is what you are going to gain from it if you upgrade to that plan. So I will even advise, if you have the money, you can simply use that money to upgrade, because you know that if you upgrade, you are getting 187,500 naira back at the end of 60 days. So, but one thing you must do is every day you must go for mission and complete your task. That's it. Thank you very much. So let's get into business. So upgrading is not a big deal. Once you have your balance, once you have the money, once you fund your wallet and have the money, if you don't know how to fund your wallet, I'll drop the link below. I made a video previously on that. You just go to the description below and click the link. Thank you. So upgrading your member now. So you click member. So it's not difficult. Once you have your balance is you have enough money on your balance, all you need to do is to click upgrade. I've already upgraded. That's why this one is showing nothing here. I can't upgrade it again. So I've already upgraded. That is why it's showing again. It's showing highest here. So I've upgraded to this very plan now. I'm on this plan. So if you have not done that, just click upgrade it, or if you want to upgrade, click upgrade, and whichever you want to click upgrade. And I think another page will open up here. Then just do whatever you need to do there. Finish. Thank you for watching this video. Once again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do that right away. Subscribe to my channel. And again, if you know that you have not registered, I'm dropping the link below. Register with my link and chat me up on WhatsApp. I'm going to drop my WhatsApp number on the description below. Thank you very much for